This is the unboxing. Hello guys, good afternoon. Nice to see you once again. Today I have with me another unboxing of this is an Imac, Apple Imac 2017 model 5K Retinal. So just want to do the unboxing so that you see. This is the unboxing. This is what is in it. This is the system itself. There's a system. Let me just place it here. Place it here so that you see it fully in its glory. You see it? This is the 27 inches Apple Imac 2017 model. So I'm going to be mounting it at my workspace there. And is what I've been using for my activities at home. It already has the Apple mouse, the Apple keypad, magic keypad. This is the magic keypad, and also the magic remote. So this is just the quick unboxing. I'm going to be mounting it here. You see my laptop was here, but it's going to be there now. So when I finish mounting it, I'll now do a total review of the product itself. So this is the back of the product. You can see how gorgeous and how cute it is. See how gorgeous it is? You can see it. So beautiful, so gorgeous to behold. This is the cable. It's called all-in-one deck stock. So this is what will be my daily driver at home. So I said let me share it with each and every one of you so that you see the new stuff I just bought. So I remember I told you in my previous video, this is the carton. This is the sound bar. I will be doing a review of this one. Remember, and this is the TV itself, the 75 inches TV. So I've mounted it, but I'll be doing a proper review of this sound bar. So I'll be doing a proper review in the next video. So can't wait to see you all soon. Thanks for your time and have a nice day. Bye bye.